thought I'd show you the finishing product. This. Just give you a closer view. Anyway, please, if you want to see more 3D printer videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please spread the news of my channel. Tell all your friends and family. I need more people to watch my stuff. Right now, all I have is a few of my friends watching. I need more people. Please, like I said, like and subscribe. Goodbye, guys.